Good morning. Well, today's another beautiful day, and I thought I would read something from my book again. This way, you would get some idea of what's in it. It's commercial plumbing maintenance, available on Amazon.com. Today, we're going to talk about pressure reducing valves. Okay, now, a pressure reducing valve, what that does, if you don't know, it takes the pressure from the building, or you can do it in anywhere really. If you've got a fixture, if you've got a machine, in hospitals it's x-ray machines, it's dialysis machines, all kinds of machines, and a lot of times they have pressure reducing valves because that equipment requires a certain pressure. But in a home, let's just take a home, and I mean it's even in a building, so whatever the city pressure you're getting, you want to reduce the pressure in most cases to around 60 pounds. So 60 pounds is your normal operating pressure. Now, here's a photo of a pressure reducing valve on top. You see that? Now that pressure reducing valve does not have a strainer. Now the reason why you want a strainer, which shows the second photo that I have in my book, there's a strainer right there, okay? Now what that strainer does, it takes out any particles that's coming from the water supply. So, for any reason, dirt or particles, or somebody's downstream is soldered or cut the line and dirt is entered, this strainer will help catch that dirt. That way your pressure reducing valve will work properly. Now, there's much more to that, as far as the pressure reducing valve, how to make adjustments, and they are all adjustable, and there's a range, and you can buy all types. I talked about autoclaves and steamers, but they're made for steam, they're made for water, they're made for air, they're made for oxygen, they're made for all types, a pressure reducing valve. So is that important? Absolutely, especially when you're doing commercial maintenance, because you need to know where they're at. You need to have a plan in place how you're going to check them. Is there a gauge downstream? Do you need to put in a valve? And how would you put in a valve? Do you have to do a shutoff? Do you have to freeze the line? These are all things in my book. I give you examples of what to do. I explain the things that you can do and easily do. And this helps you become a better, it helps you. What it does, helps you to control the work as opposed to let the work control you. So the more you're on top of this stuff, the better it is. Well, you have a pleasant day. I will say goodbye now. Have a great day. Bye-bye.